Welcome to 111 Motorcars, an automotive utopia in the heart of Franklin, Tennessee. This is a one-stop for every need your garage could ever have. When we envisioned 111, we wanted to tear the walls down and redo the automotive experience. So whether you want to buy a car, sell a car, store a car, detail a car, wrap a car, we can literally do everything on this 6 acres. Inside this 75,000 square feet, there is nothing your garage can ever need or want that we can't help you with. We have gold certified mechanics, and we have automotive brands that have joined us that give us the luxury of providing not only unparalleled service and hospitality, but also exquisite marksmanship and craftsmanship. One of the misconceptions I would like to address is the fact that we don't just work on exclusive cars. We have an expert hand, and we've recruited master mechanics from all over the country to work on everything. So from your Lexus to your Toyota, to your old Ford Bronco, to your vintage Trans Am, Porsche, BMW, Ford, Chevy, we have you covered with anything you can bring us. We've learned that automotive storage is as much a skill as it is a service. From state-of-the-art security, fire suppression system, the ability to maintain your tires, your battery, even your car's exterior is a specialty that we've become experts at. We store over 100 cars here currently, and we're meeting people every day that need more room. So if you're looking a place to store your car and have it taken care of better than anywhere else, 111 Motorcars Storage is the answer for you. One of the favorite departments on the 111 Motorcars campus is our 111 Motorcars Auto Spa. In this area, we can do your paint correction, automotive details, ceramic coatings, paint protection film, window tint. We've partnered with the area's best to make sure we are unmatched in this department. And it's not just about sales, service, and storage here at 111 Motorcars, where we get to welcome thousands of you to Middle Tennessee's biggest and best monthly car show. Monthly, we welcome special guests from around the world that get to come in and feature their cars, talk about their product, and share it with the Franklin and the Tennessee community. So here at 111 Motorcars, the car community and a shared passion for all things automotive, that's something we do bigger and better than everybody else. Beyond Cars and Caffeine, our public event, we've created an exclusive private social club for the ultimate automotive connoisseur, the 111 Motor Club. We have spent months building a space that is the home to the ultimate automotive connoisseur. This is the pinnacle of a vision that has taken years to craft and make. And now we get to bring this vision, this process, this motor club to our automotive community. We want to work with you and your family in all of your cars. Here at 111 Motorcars, we want to help you with everything in your garage, from sales to storage to service to repairs to maintenance to all of our events, from Cars and Caffeine to our private 111 Motor Club. Come to 111motorcars.com and come see us in the heart of Franklin. We can't wait to help you and your family in everything automotive.